Louisiana Implants and Dentures, Baton Rouge's preferred dental implant provider.
Hey, Dr. Blake Vidrine here with Louisiana Implants and Dentures. Today I want to talk about dentures versus our snap-in dentures versus our all-on-4 or full mouth implant option. So let's start with our denture option. So this is the traditional denture that you've always heard about. You probably know somebody with them. You take your teeth out, you get dentures by suction. On the top, people can manage them okay. They still move around a little bit. They're not fixed in place. The bottom denture is different. The tongue's there, it's moving, doesn't have the roof of the mouth to suction to. They tend to move around a lot more, and people have a lot more issues with those. But at the end of the day, they work. They get you teeth, you can smile. You gotta learn how to use them so they don't come out when you're talking and things like that. So it's a big learning curve and it can be difficult. And then we move on to our snap-in denture option. These, you get implants on the bottom and it snaps in and out. And you can hear the click. It's a step up above dentures. It still comes in and out. You still have to take it out at night and clean it. It isn't perfectly fixed in the mouth. It still moves a little bit, but it does increase your chewing power from dentures about maybe 10 to 20%, up to 30 to 50% range for the snap-ins. So it's a big improvement. It's worth the investment for sure. We don't do them on top though, normally, because they just don't last. It's not a big enough improvement over dentures for the big financial investment you have to make to put implants on the top and snap it in and go through that whole process for just minimal improvement. If you want teeth that stay in better than a denture on top, then we have our all-on-4, our fixed implant bridge option. The big advantage with these is that you get them the next day. So you don't go without teeth. You don't have to wear a traditional denture during the healing period like you do with a regular denture or a snap-in denture. So you get that big advantage, fixed teeth right away. You have a few dietary limitations at the beginning, but as things heal, you can eat more and more, and then once things are fully healed after a couple of months, then you can eat anything you want. I mean, they're almost unbreakable, just about. Really, at the end of the day, the financial part plays a big factor for a lot of patients. So what it comes down to is, can you afford this option, this option, this option? Because the differences are very large. It's the difference between walking, that's your denture, riding a bike, that's your snap-ins, and driving to work, having teeth that stay in. They'll all three get you there, but your quality of life is gonna greatly improve as you take a step up for each option. So the all-on-4 option is the only option like having teeth again. They're not gonna come out ever while you're talking. You don't have to take them out. You can eat anything you want. They look great. You really have to look at what you can afford and what you wanna get out of it to really decide what you wanna do.
Louisiana Implants and Dentures, Baton Rouge's preferred dental implant provider. Click on the description below to learn more.